Hi friends, welcome to Technical RPA. This video we are going to talk about in Python how to match two strings or two addresses based on some ratios. For example, today I'm going to check with two strings. So the final outcome I want to match. For example, string 1 is New York and string 2 also New York. But even though these both strings are matching, but if I have some space or other things, so it should not match. So in that case, I need to check how much the matching has been happened. So those details we have to see this video. So just I'm running. My string 1 is New York and string 2 is New York. So I'm matching on it. So here you can see result is false. So the thing is the strings are not matching. So the result here it's coming as a false. But when we see the two strings, the only variation is uppercase and lowercase. So now I am coming to the second method. So usually it should fail because lowercase and uppercase. Now I'm converting string 1 to lower and string 2 as lower. I will run on it. It's showing true. But so this is my string 1, this is my string 2. So in that case I'm converting into lower and I'm running on it. It's showing false because string 1 I'm giving some space between New and York, but string 2 I'm not giving space. So this is the issue when we are matching strings. So we cannot match 100%, that is one thing, as well as if any spaces comes or special characters comes or else lowercase uppercase, so whatever it may be the reason, I cannot match these two addresses or those two strings. So in that case I need to identify some packages in Python. So today that we are going to discuss about what are the packages we can use to match two strings. Suppose my string 1 has one address, string 2 has address. How these two addresses I can check, and I can if I check manually I can see how much it's matching on it, but if I see in coding level, so what is the ratio I have, I don't know that. So because of that, in Python we have two options are available. One is PersiVasi. This is one of the package, the data science package. So I can import Pers from PersiVasi to Python code. Today I'm going to using Anaconda Navigator. Inside the Anaconda Navigator I'm using Jupyter Notebook. So here you can see this is my Anaconda Navigator. You can also download from Google, that is free edition. Inside, once your Anaconda Navigator is downloaded, you can check the Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, PowerShell prompt, everything, Spider, and a lot of the tools are available. Today I am using Jupyter Notebook to execute this Python script. For I am using PersiVasi to achieve this one. Also we have one more method is available, that is Lawinson distance calculator package. So here this is Passivasi, and Lavinston is also available, but as of now I'm not using Lavinston. For later videos I will describe on it. For when using Passivasi package, how it will work, and so how it will calculate the distance ratio, and inside the Passivasi, how the what are the methods are available. So I will show you on it. Just like one method, I will show you this video, and going forward, I will show you the Passivasi has ratio calculation, partial ratio calculation. Like that, many methods are available. Today, I will show you the Passivasi with ratio calculation. So the basic functionality of Passivasi is it's it will give you the ratio between two addresses or two strings, the matching ratio. So here I am importing, I already imported. Usually the import will happen in line 1. Here you can see I already imported from, this is from Passivasi import first. So I already imported. So I'm coming to the code. So this is my string 1 New York, this is my string 2. For example, I'm adding my string 1 as New York USA. String 2 is New York United States, and I'm going to calculate ratio. Ratio is equal to first. So when I importing Passivasi, here you can see I'm importing first only. So I'm having, when I calculating ratio, I'm using first. First has default method ratio, the ratio between string 1 and string 2. So finally I'm printing how much ratio it's giving. So I'm simply saving. You can give Control S, it will save on it, and you can run. Here you can see the percentage is 96. So this time I will stop all the print and I will save. You can see the percentage is 96. So 96% it's matching based on the ratio. Suppose I'm giving 102 floor 4th Rallington Road, New York. 107 floor 5th New Camel Road, New York. So I'm changing the address. Now you can see the percentage which is matching is 75. Simply it will checking how much percentage, so it will check each character by character, and as well as once the recognize the character and checking the character, it will match that. Once the matching has been completed, it will give us a ratio as a result. We have one more method is available, that is Lavinston distance. These Levenstein distance as well the same. Here you can see string 1 and string 2. The distance is, I'm using the same way. I can import Levenstein, import Levenstein. So I can import Levenstein and I can calculate my distance. But mostly the Levenstein distance will give something 0.94 or 0.45 that way. But usually in current environment, mostly the address matches we are using on this fuzz, which means fuzzy. So fuzzy mainly helped. This is one of the data science library, which means the artificial intelligence library. So it will give you the direct ratio, how much it's matching on it. So in next video, I will describe you what are the type of fuzzy libraries methods are available, like ratio, partial ratio, simplicity ratio. So how we can calculate those based on the addresses or strings. Thanks for watching this.